Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying your platform and updating the game. This avoids mismatches later. Next, head directly to the in-game location where the Ninja Record sound spawns and mark coordinates. Once there, arm yourself with a recorder set to 44, 1K Hz or higher, and wear headphones to monitor live. Begin a quick test capture to confirm input levels. If you see clipping, lower gain. Now you're live and ready to trigger the sound event. Now you focus on capturing the perfect take. Use a triggered capture with a 5 to 10 second pre-roll buffer so you don't miss the lead-in. This ensures context and clean edits. While recording, watch levels and keep peaks below -6 dBFS to preserve headroom. Adjust in-game and system audio to isolate the Ninja sound, muting music and voice if possible. If multiple attempts are needed, change angle or timing slightly. This increases chance. Finish by trimming pre-roll and normalizing to around -3 dBFS so the sound is consistent across uses. Export your master as WAV 24-bit or FLAC for archive and create an MP3 at 320 kbps for quick sharing. Once done, test playback on different devices to confirm fidelity. If you encounter noise, try a re-record with a tighter noise gate or apply spectral repair. If timing issues persist, adjust trigger buffer and repeat the capture.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.